So today we are installing the headlights for a 2004 F-250. To remove the headlight bezel, this is the light bezel. There's 4 screws, 2 on top, 1 right here, 1 right there, 2 on the bottom. And then the parking light bezel snaps off first so you can get to the screws for the bezel. So reinstalling the light, snap the light in. Get it in the hole and turn. Snap it in. There we go. Turn it. Parking light, same thing. Get it in here. There's grooves in there. Oops. Come on. This one goes right here. It's like Legos. Get that in there. Bezel goes in first. Once the bezel goes in, this snaps in. Line up the pins and just push. Now you're all set. There's only.
Why are you using this particular drill?
Because I know the torque setting is a little high. The Milwaukee, it's the best tool that we have. Most reliable tool. 2 screws up here. 2 screws on the bottom. And we're set. You need to use a hand screwdriver here for the hand.
And why is that?
Because the bit's short and you don't want to shatter the plastic.
The housing.
The housing.
Plastic housing. Good.
We're set.